Lesson 1. Account Opening and Software Installation. Welcome to Best Forex Education Video Courses. With our hands-on video lesson series, your progress by applying the instructions on your own computer will give you a basic understanding of the MetaTrader trading platform. Opening a demo account is highly recommended to follow up our MetaTrader video courses and put them into practice in your own computer. Opening a demo account is free and easy without any commitment. Now, please click on Demo Account button, which is placed in this field. This action will direct you to Demo Account Opening page. The same link also can be displayed in video description section. You can access to Demo Account page by the way alternatively. After Demo link is open, please fill the mini form. As we request a demo account together with you, we fill up the form with our own info. By clicking on Create Account button, your demo account will be created instantly. In Account Confirmation page, you will find your login details, which is required to access to your trading platform. Now let's install MetaTrader Trading Platform. On the same page, please click on the Download Platform button. Start to download platform and install the platform. As the size of the platform is small, installing process will take less time. Please complete the installation process by following the instructions. After the installation is completed, the platform will be run automatically after you click on the Finish button. There's no need to click on the shortcut created on your desktop. Please choose the appropriate server name. Give in the login details. Type in your username and password. And your connection will be established soon. Please click on Trade button, showing up here after you are connected. If you're able to display for demo balance here, then all is okay. Now you can move to our next lesson.